Good morning, students. Today we are going to see origin and evolution of life. That is Unit 19. Living organisms possess distinct characteristics, display organizational and functional unity. They have two mechanisms. First one origin, second one evolution. The diversities and maintain a balanced relationship with the nature. Most aspects of evolution indicate that the knowledge of past has become essential for fully understanding the present. The history of life comprises two aspects, that is, one is origin of life, second one is evolution of life. Evolution, the gradual changes and adaptation of living organism through time, which is known as evolution. Origin of life. Origin of life is linked with the origin of earth. The Big Bang theory explained the origin of universe. Explosion. Big Bang theory means explosion. It processes that the universe had an explosive beginning and originated 15 billion years ago. The solar system was probably created when the gaseous clouds, stars and two collapse and due to the force of its own gravity forming atom and particles. Atom and dust grains, gaseous and disk are aggregated to form solar system. Earth was supposed to create 4.5 billion years back. Life appeared 500 billion years after the formation of Earth. In this lesson, we'll see about this some topic. First one, theories on origin of life. Evidences of evolution. Evidences from morphology and anatomy. Evidences from embryology. Evidences from paleontology. This topic we'll see in this video in details. First one, theories on origin of life. Many theories has been postulated to explain the origin of life. In that, first one, special creation. This idea embodies that life on earth is divine creation and also attribute to supernatural event at a particular time in the past. That means the organism whichever we are seeing now that created in the past as such. What you are seeing now, when the organism created as such, it also emphasizes that life has not changed ever since its origin. That is special creation. Next one, spontaneous generation. Then, according to this theory, life originated from the non-living things spontaneously from the lifeless matter. The people are believed that the animal could come from the non-living things, such as fish originated from mud, frog from the moist soil, and insect from the decaying matter. This is called abiogenesis. It also known as spontaneous generation. Next theory is biogenesis. This theory was postulated by Louis Pasteur. He said all the organism is created from the pre-existing life. He proved that. He used the flask. You see the diagram. First flask is sterilized, kept some, killed yeast, then kept airtight. Second flask, the same one sterilized, kept some, killed yeast but open. The first flask, no organism is created. But the second one, some organisms arose from the killed yeast. So he proved that the life originated from the pre-existing life. Next theory is extraterrestrial or cosmic origin. Some scientists still believe that life came from the other space. That states that units of life called spores and sperma were transferred to different planets including Earth. This is still an idea of some astronomers. Some astronomers or scientists are believe the organism is coming from the other planets including Earth. Next one, chemical evolution of life. This idea was proposed by Oparin and Haldane. They proposed the theory prevailing on the earth. Life arose from the series of sequential chemical reaction. Life arose from the chemical reaction. The first form, see the diagram, first form, pre-existing non-living inorganic molecule give rise the formation of diverse organic molecules. It transferred to the next level, colloid system, to produce life. First, the organism is created from the non-living inorganic molecules. They transfer to colloid system to life, produce life. This theory, the modern concept on chemical evolution regarding origin, was accepted. Next, evidence of evolution. Evidences of evolution. Evolution can be better understood only by observing the relationship between the existing organism and also relating with the similarities of extinct organism. Existing organism means present, they are present in the world. Extinct organism, they are not present in the world. For example, dinosaurs is the example of extinct organism. Dinosaurs is a reptile, for example of reptiles. These evidences support the concept that all organisms have evolved from the common ancestors. Evidence from the morphology and anatomy. Morphology, structure of organisms, outer structure, and anatomy, the structure of organisms, living organism inside the organs, inside organs. They reveal they possess common set of ancestors. Now, the morphology, homologous organs. Homo means single. Homologous organs, those which have inherited from common ancestor with similar developmental pattern in the embryo. Developmental patterns are similar. The four limbs of mammals, all development is similar. For example, see the diagram, human, cat, whale. The human hand, the front leg of cat, flipper of the whale, bats of bat of wing, look dissimilar. They are looking dissimilar, different structure. They adapted different function. Their looks also dissimilar, function also different function, but they are developmental basic structure of bone are similar. So it is homologous organ.